All right, so far we have learned basic forms of rectangular prisms, cylinders. The third basic form we're going to go over is spheres. Spheres are sports balls, a globe, the earth, the moon. Those are all spheres. So, the steps to a sphere. Pretty simple. There's only two. First step is to draw a circle. Now, don't just start drawing a circle, please. To draw a circle in an art class, to get it more circular, you do short little curves, kind of keep your pinky finger in one spot, and turn your paper, continuously making the same curve, keeping your pinky in about the same spot. Kind of makes it a compass. You will come out with a pretty decent circle. Got a little bit off there, a little bump there that I can adjust. But otherwise it looks pretty good. Okay, so that's the first step. Draw your circle. Second step is to shade. I'm going to draw my circle again. And our light, again, just like the other two, is going to come from the above right. So very lightly, I want you to shade the whole circle. Very lightly. And then I want you to erase, over here on the right side, a moon shape, not all the way on the edge, so it just comes in a little bit. It's right here. So come in a little bit from the edge and then erase a moon shape, a crescent moon. So it's light, white, light. Then we're going to do medium. So now I'm going to add another layer over here. Don't go all the way up next to the moon shape though, because we need that light space. And then a dark, and I'm going to leave a medium for that reflective light. So right in here is going to be dark. All the way to the top. So it goes light, white, light, medium, dark, medium. So you can see that, can't you? Now you can see it. Okay? We have light, white, light, medium, dark, medium. Now we're going to do our shadow. Our shadow, we're going to come out this way and be an oval. Come back into there. And remember, your shadow is the darkest thing. So there's your sphere. That is a basic form. And then we have, on our next page, we're going to do cones and pyramids, or triangular pyramids, triangular prisms. Okay, so a cone, pretty simple. We're going to draw an angle and a half of an oval on the bottom of that. And then we're going to shade similar to the side of a cylinder. So we're going to go light across the whole thing. Zoom in a little bit here so you can see it better. Then I'm going to erase, not all the way over, just like on the sphere. I erase just a little bit over to the side. Now this is going to be a straight line, not a crescent moon. Give it a moment to come back in and you can see where I erased. So I left the light, then the white, and then back to the light. And then over here, I'm going to add another layer from my medium. It gets skinnier as it goes to the top. So I got light, white, light, medium, and then I need a dark in there, in the middle of your medium. Because remember, we have that reflective light. If you kind of go back and forth the direction of that curve on the bottom, it'll make it look a little more rounded. And then your shadow will be a triangle shape off of that. Nice and dark. So there's your cone. And a triangular prism, or a pyramid. So you're going to draw a triangle. Similar to your rectangular prism, that you want to do is make this diagonal back. You don't want this to go the same direction or you won't get it. And then draw your last triangle. Finish off that triangle. And then shading. This is going to be your medium. This is going to be your darker. Make sure it's not real dark though, because you got to make your shadow. So your shadow is off of there, something like that. And one last thing you can make a triangle. Diagonal lines off of these two, and this diagonal needs to match this diagonal. So it would be like a tent, would be a triangular prism, and again, this side will be your lighter because your light's coming from the above right. So it's coming the other way, just flip it around. And then this is your medium. And then shadow under there a little bit and comes out this way into a triangle.